Legum Baccalaureus LLB. I'm sure you picked the point. MashaAllah. LLM. Lex is singular. Leges, it's plural. Lex means law. Leges means laws. And legum means of laws. Great. MashaAllah. Its abbreviation is LL. Legum, LL. Baccalaureus is abbreviated by simply writing the first letter B once, because it's singular, it's not plural. Baccalaureus, abbreviation B. Let's begin with an old legal maxim. What's that? It's the dominus non curat lex. It means the law is not concerned with trifles. What's a trifle? Trifle means anything of very little value. Yeah, anything of very little value. Details on some other day, inshallah. Let's begin with the last word, which is over there at the end of the legal maxim I started my talk with. What's the word? Yeah, the word I'm talking about, the word is lex. Yeah, the word is lex. This word is a Latin word. Yeah, it is taken from the Latin language. What does this Latin word lex, yeah, lex mean? It means law. Yeah, the Latin word lex means law. Just like all languages of the world, this Latin word also has its plural. Do you know what the plural of this word lex is? Yeah, I'm sure you want to know the plural of the Latin word I was talking about. Great. You know that I was talking about the word lex. The plural of lex is leges. Yeah, lex has its plural pronounced as leges. Keep in mind that I'm talking about the Latin pronunciation. Lex, leges. Lex means law and leges means laws. Great. Once again, lex, law. Leges means laws. Lex, leges, law, laws. There's another word. Yeah, I'm talking about the Latin vocabulary, the Latin diction. The word is legum. Great. Do you know the meaning of this word? Guess. The word legum means of leges, means of laws. Yeah. Legum means of laws. How? Legum of leges. Leges, laws. And legum means of laws. Great. I'm sure you've got the idea that lex is singular, leges it's plural, lex means law, leges means laws, and legum means of laws. Great. MashaAllah. Do you know that when there is some Latin word and the word is plural, what happens? Very, very important point. When this plural word, I mean the plural Latin word is abbreviated. Abbreviated means when we use its abbreviation. So what happens when we want to abbreviate it? So very simple thing is done, that we take its first letter and we double it. Yeah, we take the first letter of the Latin plural word and we write it twice. I mean, we double it. Suppose there is a Latin plural word, and that is pages. Suppose it, pages. And we want to abbreviate this word. I mean, we want to write its abbreviation. So, the Latin language rule is very simple. What's that? We'll double the first letter. Have a look at it. It's P. An abbreviation of this plural word shall be written as PP. Pages, PP. Pages is a full word. Pages is the word, and its abbreviation, yeah, have a look at it, shall be written as PP. Pages, PP. Now, think about the Latin word, which is a Latin word in its real sense. The word is leges. And now we want to write its abbreviation. Yeah, we want to abbreviate the word. What shall be done? Great. Very simple. The first letter, I mean the letter L, which is there at the start of the word. You know what's that? Yeah, L. So this letter L shall be doubled. Shall be doubled. Yeah, LL. So this LL stands for what? Have a look at it. Great. Leges. LL. Leges. LL. Now think about the word legum. Yeah, legum means of laws. Now this word legum is to be abbreviated. Guess what am I going to do? Great. I'll write its first letter, I mean the letter L, twice. Double. Yeah, LL. No, legum. Yeah, legum. It is abbreviated. How? By writing LL. I'm sure you picked the point. MashaAllah. There's another Latin word, and we are well familiar with the word. You know what's that? Yeah, LL. 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 L Baccalaureus. Yeah, Baccalaureus. It's purely a Latin word. It means, in English, it means bachelor. Yeah, the Latin word baccalaureus in English, it means bachelor. Baccalaureus, bachelor. Baccalaureus, bachelor. Baccalaureus is abbreviated by simply writing the first letter B once, because it's singular, it's not plural. Baccalaureus, abbreviation B. Please have a look at this word. Yeah, I'm sure you're well familiar with that. The word is legum, and you know the meaning of this word. Legum means of laws. Yeah, legum of laws. Great. Again, have a look at the same word, legum. Its abbreviation is, guess, please. Great. Yeah, legum, its abbreviation is LL. Legum, LL. And another word was there which we have just discussed, baccalaureus. Yeah, baccalaureus means bachelor. Baccalaureus, bachelor. Yeah, baccalaureus, its abbreviation, guess, great. Yeah, the word baccalaureus, it is abbreviated by writing simply the first letter, which is B. Baccalaureus, B. Great. Now look at these two words. Yeah, look at these two words. Legum, baccalaureus, legum, baccalaureus, legum. It's a short form. Its abbreviation is, look at it please, legum, LL. Legum, LL means of laws. Great. Legum, of laws, LL. And baccalaureus, yeah, baccalaureus means bachelor, and baccalaureus, its abbreviation is B. Great. B. Legum, LL. Baccalaureus, B. Legum, baccalaureus. LL, B. Great. Legum, baccalaureus, LL, B. I'm sure you picked the point. MashaAllah. LL, B. Legum, baccalaureus, bachelor of laws. Excellent. No. Legum, baccalaureus, it means bachelor, yeah, bachelor of laws. Let's move forward. LLM, yeah, LLM. I'm sure.
तुर गए यार दिलां दे जानी वतनू चुक मुहारा उजड़ी बस्ती यारो नजरी आवे कंड कीती जद यारा